All right. Go ahead and get out your lined whiteboards. Get out your lined whiteboards. So we have our start right reader for flags flipped. We're going to write down a couple of things that we see today, okay? A lot of those blends again. Blends. So a lined whiteboard with a skinny marker. Get those out. All right. Did you guys ever hear of Flag Day before? Yeah. So Flag Day is actually in June. It's on June 14th. And on Flag Day, we celebrate the American flag. Okay? Special day. So just how do people celebrate Flag Day? Well, we're going to find out in this little story today. Now, you're going to see blends. You're going to see blends with CL. So it makes that sound like k-o, like cool-ak, like we just did. Cool-ak. You also have FL, like foo-ag. Foo-ag. Flag. You might see an ST at the end of a word. Okay? Like if you had the word like best. B-est. Or v-est. You just did the word best. You also could have these other blends that are at the end of a word like N and D. Ooh, like the word and. Or end. Okay? Find. Okay? You have this ND at the end of words. Alright, and we already know these words that we've already gone over. AS is the word shouted out. As. OUR is the word our. And RED is the color red. Okay? So we're going to be looking for these blends though today. Okay? We're going to be looking for a lot of those. Alright, so here we go. How do we celebrate Flag Day? So flags flap. Okay? So let's listen carefully.
Flags Flap by Aaron G. Men put our flag on a mast. They send it up. Up, up, up.
Okay. All right. Men put our, what is this word? Flag. Let's write it. It has that FL blend. Let's write it. Flag. FL is at the beginning. F-L-A-G. Flag. Flag. And they put the flag on a, I see this blend at the end, this S-T. It's called a mast. Mast. So let's write that word, mast. So it's like this big pole, and they have it connected to the wires and to the rope, and they put the flag up on a mast. That's what it is. Mast. Write that. You have it written? Mast. Write it. Mast. All right, so flag and mast. Okay, so the men are putting up that flag on a mast, and they send it where?
Up, up, up.
Up, up, up. Very good. All right. Listen carefully.
See our flag? It flaps in the wind. See it flap on top?
All right, so the flag is doing what in the wind? It is doing what, Alina?
It's blowing it.
So what's another word for blowing in the wind? It said it did what? It said the word twice. Flap. Flap. Very good. So flap. Let's write it. Flap. It flaps in the wind. It's another word for like blowing in the wind. So when the wind is blowing, it kind of flaps. If you ever hear a flag, it was really windy outside, you kind of hear it even flapping really hard. Flap. Very good.
This is G. I said flag.
Flap?
No, I said flag.
Flag? Oh, sorry. I thought you said flap. Oh, these masks. Okay, here we go. Oh. Hold on, it's loading. It's loading. Any second now.
It's right here.
So far on Flag
See
Day.
kids in red tops? See kids in flag hats?
Okay, do you see all that? So yes or no? Do you see kids in red tops? And do you see kids in flag hats? Okay. All right. So again, these are different ways to celebrate Flag Day. So far they put flags up, of course. All right, up on a mast. They even have them up on boats. Okay, flapping in the wind. And now we even have kids celebrating by wearing flag hats, okay, just with the right colors. What colors are in our flag? Who can tell me all three colors, Valentina?
Red, white, and blue.
Red, white, and blue. Okay, and the biggest thing is we have red and white stripes, and then we have blue with the white stars, okay? So those are the three colors, and those are the different things that you're gonna see people wear. Kind of similar to what other holiday is similar to this, Jenna?
4th of July.
The 4th of July, our country's birthday, okay? So Flag Day is just focused on just the flag, though. Okay, all right. We didn't have any new words there, though, right? I think we're okay. You stop me if you see it. Maybe I miss something sometimes. Let me, oh, how cute. Look at this.
See pets in flag tops. See pets in flag hats.
Oh, my goodness. So even pets are dressing up with flag hats and flag tops. Adorable. Oh, adorable. Super cute. Okay, oh, listen to this one. Here we go.
Hands clap and clap as big bands with flags go past. Clap, clap, clap.
All right, I see we have a lot of new words here with blends. So raise your hand if you see a word that you see with the blends. Okay, Finn?
And.
Ah, very good. We have our and. We have the ND at the end. So let's write and. 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 Add it to your list. Okay, Jenna, another one.
Clap.
Clap. Clap. So let's write it. CL is our blend, and then app is our ending. CLAP. Got that, Ben? Clap. Okay. Anything else? There's another blend. It's an ending blend. Yes. Not as. Oh, no, not as. I know it's the word in yellow. Caitlin? ST at the end. What word is that? Past. Very good. So it says, let's see. Hands clap, clap, clap as big bands with flags go past. Let's write that word past. 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 Okay, yes, Jen, another one? Ah, bands. So we have the ND, but there's more than one band, so they have an S at the end. So that one might have thrown you off a little bit. So here's the other word, bands. So you take the S off, it's just the word band. So that's kind of the ending, the ND ending that we were looking for. Okay, so there's that word, bands. Look at that, kind of. Here, actually, I can highlight it. Ooh, I didn't even know I could do that. Look at that. Bands.
Oh, Mrs. G. That's cool.
That is super cool. Mrs. G is learning something new today. So hands, bands. Can we do hands? Oh, sorry, I just found that one too. Hands is another one. Got the ANDS. Evelyn, you got it? Okay, we did clap. And we did pass.
I don't have any oil yet.
We're going to start a new one. So look at all those words we just did. Lots of them. Awesome.
Mrs. G. How long is
You started with column.
they all have eight.
Yes, AND, and then Platt had the AP or CLAP. Yep. Okay, we got all those words?
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. That was a big one. That was a very busy page.
And I'm happy all of them.
Okay, all right, listen up.
As the sun sets in the west, flags must rest.
Okay, so what does that mean the flag must rest? What does that mean, Brayden?
Is that raining?
Well, it still looks like it's blowing a little bit, but what are they doing to the flag? Is it still up, up, up?
Yeah.
No, it's not up, up, up anymore. It's starting to come down, down, down. Okay? But the flag never touches the ground. Did you know that? You don't let the flag touch the ground. It's just, it's part of tradition. It's respect for the flag. You don't let flags, any flags, touch the ground like that. You're not supposed to. So it is setting now, so they're taking it down. Look at, they're even playing a little trumpet song as it comes down. But, so did you see a lot of things that happened though on Flag Day? You wear those flag colors. You maybe have, it looked like they maybe had like a possible like a little parade, right, with the bands. You put the flag up in the morning, it comes down in the evening when the sun goes down. Okay, lots of fun things. It's kind of similar to 4th of July, but maybe not as big of a day.
Is that?
Okay, so I think we don't have any new words. Oh, I'm sorry, we have ST at the end, don't we? Lots of ST. So what's this word with the ST at the end? West. West. Okay, so this is actually another blend at the end here. I'm going to do this one in green. Okay, so we have west. We have that ST at the end. Start a new column, guys. Start a new column. Going top to bottom. West. What's this one? Is the word must. Right? We're writing all these. Jacob, start at the top. There you go. And what's this one? Rest. Good. All right. Lots and lots of blends. And you guys didn't notice this before because you might just read a word and you don't think anything of it. But now that you know, I bet you guys are gonna start seeing a lot more words with blends that you read. Okay. All right. Everyone's got those. West, must, rest. When you say them, you can even hear those matching blends, right? You hear that ST at the end. Okay, very good. So Flag Day sounds kind of fun, doesn't it? Make sure you guys celebrate Flag Day this summer in June. Okay, so these were a bunch of words that we actually wrote down as well. And they say, well, what is the same about them? Well, you notice that at the beginning, flag and flap all both begin with what 2 letters? Can you guys tell me? Flag, flap both start with what 2 letters, Braden? F and FF. Okay, hands, bands. What are the 2 letters that they have that are very similar at the end, Jenna? ND is what they want you to focus on. Yes, they both have an A and an S too, but ND is the 2 letters they want you to focus on. All right, rest, west. What do they both have? D? ST at the end. Okay, and then we have 4 clappers all by itself. Clap, clap, clap. Okay. All right, so as I find these words in the story, okay? So, the last word. The last words that we're going to go back and find. Are you ready? Write these words on your list and we're going to check them off as we find them. So the word they, They, write it down because then we'll give it a check mark once we find it. They, what's the next word? Up. What's this word, Valentina? Up. So write it down on your list. We're going to check it off when we find it. Up. O-N. You can tell me this word. O-N. Riley? On. On. And then the last word, B-I-G. We just wrote it in our journal today. Alina? Big. All right, so write these 4 words and then we're going to go back. Once we find them, we can check them off. All right? Our boards are getting really full. I love it. I love it. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go back. When you see the word, can you please shout it out for me when you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, whether it's the word they, up, on, or big. Shout out the word.
Okay.
Ready? Get those eagle eyes ready. Get those binoculars out. Yes.
We did 15 words.
We did a lot. We got a lot of blends today. A lot of blends. All right, here we go. Get them out. Any? They, up, on, or big?
Yes. No.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Big. I see it too. B-I-G. Big. Good. All right. Check it off. We found it. Check it off. We'll give it a star. Give it a check. Give it a star. We found it. Okay, so we're still looking for they, up, and on. Here we go. Ready? Get them on. Nothing. Nothing. Go back. Good, they're coming, they're coming. Binoculars ready. Evelyn, sit please. Which one? On. See it flip on top. Very good. All right, check it out. Check it out. Okay, so we're still missing they and up. Okay, all right, here we go. Up, and they send it up. Very good. All right, so check them off. They, well, you can. Up is how many times you see it? 4. You can give it 4 check marks. Woo! 4 check marks next to up. Good job. You write the word up, Jacob. You gotta write the word up. Up. All right. All right, guys. This was a busy one today. We did really good. Well done. Well done. All right, you can erase your boards. Yes.